Before we start the video, I want to show you guys a couple of clips I shot a couple of days ago. They're pretty special, I must say. One includes a pentakill with a sniper, and after that a quad back to back, so 9 kills back to back. And the other one is a secure point match with 106 kills. You will only see the highlights of that match. And the clip of the sniper, of course. After that we will jump into the video. What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. This video is different than I usually do, and at the same time it's exactly the same as I always do. The one is I show you a lot of clips where I hit some nice shots, nice pentakills, quad kills, nice reaction times. The other part of this video, or the function of this video, is to benchmark my new PC. I already installed the PC. I will be uploading a setup video, not a full setup video, but more like partially my desk and my PC and my monitor. And yeah, I got a 3700X CPU, AMD, and a 2080 Super from MSI, Gigabyte, I think. And the game runs like so. Yeah, average FPS is around 150 to 200, but the FPS drops are insane in this game with an AMD CPU. But the recording with shadowplay of the clips 15 seconds is much easier than usual. 32 gigabytes of RAM is more than enough for editing, and yeah, it's fast, responsive, and it works pretty well. I had a little bit of issues with configuring the RGB on the PC, but hey, it worked out at the end after using the Fusion 2.0 software. And lately I decided to upgrade my headset as well. I bought a Sound Blaster XG6 with a DT770 Pro headset, and it's pretty fucking loud, so it helps me hear the footsteps of the enemies and yeah, listen to music while gaming. It has really good sound. Well, the first part of the benchmark is with music. I edited the video to the music, like you're used of me and my videos. And the second part I left without music, and this is for people who just want to watch how the game performs with these hardware and when the screen is full of action. So there are just clips when I hit a lot of shots with a lot of enemies around, and you'll be able to see a lot of FPS drops, probably when I get into a gunfight. And as example, I run around 200 to 230 FPS average on Apex Legends, and around the same for Call of Duty Warzone. So this game needs some optimization, to be honest. Well, let's get into it. By the way, let me know in the comment section below what your specs are of your PC and how your game performs in the game, of course. So let me know your specs and your average FPS and how much it drops in the comments below. Let's get into it.